All right, today I'm going to show you basically how to create a Symbaloo personal web page. So first thing you have to do is just go to sign in. You could just use your Google account from your school to sign in. So I'm just going to click on Google. Then from there, it's going to ask me basically to type in or to select my username. I'm going to select my name right here. And basically, when you first get started, there's going to be all these resources here. That's totally fine. These are just basically links that they basically created for this website. So to customize or to create your own, what's best to do is just to come up here and you could just name it whatever it is that you're doing. If you're doing a class, let's say I'm doing a computer repair class. So I'm doing one for my computer repair class. I can type in computer repair right here, or I could just look for it. So if I type in computers right here, somebody probably did it already. I'm just going to look here and I'm going to see if they have a computer lab. And all these to me are very kiddish. So I'm teach at the high school level. So I would not want to use any of that. So I'm just going to go back. I'm going to create my own. So again, I'm going to click on the plus right here. I'm going to type in computer repair. And I'm going to tell it to add. Once it add, then I'm going to get all my categories right here. So this is my tabs. So basically, I'm going to come here and I'll be able to add anything that I want. Now, if I want to add, let's say, a site, so I could go here. I can add my Google Classroom. So I can go to, I could search for it, type in like classroom right here. See, it doesn't show up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on my tab right here. I'm going to go to Google Classroom. But that's one thing my kids use a lot. So I'm going to go Google Classroom. I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to copy this tab. I'm going to go back to Symbaloo, and I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to type in the website of my Google class right here. So I'm right here. I'm going to type in a name. I'll call it G class. So let's make this so G class. I'll say shorter text, and I could pick or customize any color that I want for the text. So let's make the text orange, and I could choose an image I want. If I have an image saved, I could just go to upload image. I could look for an image that's on my name. Uh, right now, you could see that we don't have any image on my name. So let's use this image right here. So cricket. So then I'll go to upload. Once you press upload, it's going to show you the actual image. So you could customize the image that you want. You can tell it to use and press save. Once you press save, it will be right here. So now every time the kids basically click on this, it will automatically bring them to Google Class. So this is how to basically create an icon for your classes, and you could share it. So when you are done, you want to share it. All you gotta do is just go to share, and you could share it with anybody that you want. Type in the description, and you could submit your work the same way to our class just by share submit. Just type in, just press share. Just write your description here. You could share it right here to the Google Classroom. I hope this video is very helpful to you. So good luck. If you guys need any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.